Alright, so I want to go over the assembly of the aluminum wheels. So what you're going to do, so the aluminum wheels that go on the platen holder. So you're going to take 3.5 inch bolt. Alright, you're going to put 2 of the nylon washers on. Come a little closer. Alright, 2 of the nylon washers. Make sure it's seated up on the head there. You can tighten that up when we put you can take a hammer and tap and make sure it's seated. Alright, so then in the box it has your wheels. There's going to have this metal washer, so then drop that on, and you're going to take 2 more nylon washers, put those on. Alright, and then you're going to take one of your 1/2 inch nuts. Alright, thread that down. And you want to go ahead and tighten up pretty snug. That metal washer in there seats against it, so even though you tighten this snug, it spins freely on the bearings. Alright, so you have your 1/2 inch washer, you're going to put it on the bolt here. Alright, and then you're going to put it through the hole on the platen holder, and then you're going to take one of your 1/2 inch nuts, the lock nuts, the nylon nuts. Alright, and you're going to tighten that down. Snug it down pretty good. They still spin freely. Alright, so, and then the wheel, your tracking wheel that goes on tension arm, the assembly of the washers and stuff is slightly different. So you're going to take your 3 inch 1/2 inch bolt, put your one nylon washer on, put it through. Alright. Alright, so you're going to take, so you drop the steel washer on, and you're going to take two nylon washers, put those on. And 1/2 inch nut. And snug that down. Alright, and then that will thread directly. Actually, you put a 1/2 inch washer on, and then that threads directly into this. So this is your tracking adjustment, so that's on your tension arm, so that just threads directly into that.